Have you ever wondered how spinning objects like wheels or gears move? Or how a simple tool like a wrench can loosen a bolt? These actions are the result of rotational motion and torque. Welcome back to Science Bites. Today we're diving into pure rotational motion and how torque makes things spin. First, let's break down rotational motion. Unlike linear motion, where objects move in a straight line, rotational motion occurs when an object spins around an axis. Every point on a rotating object moves in a circular path. Imagine a bicycle wheel. Each point on the wheel is moving in a circle around the center, or axis of the wheel. Now, let's talk about torque. Torque is the rotational equivalent of force. Just like force causes objects to move in a straight line, torque causes objects to rotate. The formula for torque is T equals Rf sin EF, where T is the torque, R is the distance from the axis, or the length of the lever arm. F is the force applied and Phi is the angle at which the force is applied. This is why when you use a wrench, the farther you are from the bolt, the longer the lever arm, the easier it is to turn. In pure rotational motion, every point on an object moves in a circle, and the object itself doesn't translate or move in a straight line. Think of a spinning top or a fan. These are perfect examples of pure rotational motion. However, in everyday life, we often see a combination of rotational and linear motion, like when a car's wheels rotate while the car moves forward. Torque is everywhere. From turning a wrench to swinging a door, torque is what makes things rotate. A seesaw is another classic example. When one side of the seesaw is pushed down, torque is applied, causing the other side to rise. Engineers use torque to design machines, gears, and even car engines to ensure they can produce enough rotational force to do work. So, the next time you see something spinning, a wheel, a fan, or even a planet, remember that torque is at work. It's what drives rotational motion and makes our world move. Understanding torque helps us build more efficient machines and even understand how the universe functions. Next time on, we'll explore how centripetal force keeps objects moving in a circle. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.